Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will delve into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 29th of August, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You will not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 29th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.03. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 50.91% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 50.91% to 82.88%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -2.61%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -54.34% and +10.29% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $74.25 and $179.37. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline: Weaker technical forecast for Advanced Micro Devices as stock downgraded to sell candidate. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price fell by 3.53% on the last trading day, Friday, the 29th of August 2025, dropping from $168.58 to $162.63. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.11%, with a day low of $161.90 and a day high of $168.55. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, down by 8.38% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, even as prices fell. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 37 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $6.08 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $186.65, while the lowest was $76.48. Currently, the price is 12.87%, or $24.02, below the 52-week high, and 28.45%, or $64.67, below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices is back in the headlines this week as momentum in artificial intelligence and server processors meets fresh analyst optimism and typical chip sector volatility. The company is expanding its artificial intelligence partner base and seeing strong demand for its EPYC processors, while its new artificial intelligence accelerators and recent graphics processing unit launches are helping the gaming business recover. This narrative has prompted bullish analyst commentary and helped the stock briefly trade above $170, even as broader chip peers wavered after Nvidia's earnings surprised markets and sent after-hours swings through the group. In the short term, expect more headline-driven moves. Upbeat partnership news and analyst reiterations can spark rallies and fund flows, while any further disappointment in the sector, particularly from Nvidia or macro data center weakness, will likely produce quick pullbacks. Over the long term, sustained EPYC traction, credible artificial intelligence accelerator momentum, and rebounds in consoles and gaming could materially improve revenue diversification and margins, supporting higher valuation if execution and share gains continue. The key near-term risk is competitive pressure from Nvidia and Broadcom. Execution wins would translate into durable upside, while setbacks would amplify volatility. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 12th of August, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a buy rating with an upgrade action. On Saturday, the 9th of August, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned AMD a cautious rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned AMD a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a hold rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned AMD an overweight rating with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The Advanced Micro Devices stock displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal resulting from the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at 165.68 cents and 167.83 cents. A break above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 11.82%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 78 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 67 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $155.61. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction could be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the previous day, the stock fluctuated $6.65 between its high and low, which represents 4.11%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.76%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.17. It's vital to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Advanced Micro Devices is at $163.12. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices faces its first support level at $155.61. Should this support level hold, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Sue Lisa T, who bought and sold 449,727 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 8.208. Overall, insiders acquired 1,212,670 shares and disposed of 1,026,318 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? The stock of Advanced Micro Devices shows several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Advanced Micro Devices will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical indicators, we have adjusted our analysis from a hold to a sell recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 2nd of September, we expect Advanced Micro Devices to open higher by $1.73, starting at $164.36. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.